A team of Special Commando unit rescued a Tata truck driver suspected to be kidnapped by well-armed Nscn IM cadres yesterday afternoon. However, the armed militant managed to escape. According to police sources, the rescued driver has been identified as 39-year-old Nongyai Mayum Firoj Khan, son of Nongyai Mayum Abdul Kalam of Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Boroi Makong, Thoubal district. The source said at around 2:30 p.m. the Special Commando team detected a young boy near a Tata truck in a suspicious manner in Maryland area in Nonay district. Upon verification of the young boy, the team came to know that the driver of the Tata truck bearing registration number MN018832 had been kidnapped by an armed militant suspected to be an Nscn IM. Immediately, the team conducted a search of the truck driver and managed to rescue him without any harm. However, the armed militant managed to escape. The truck driver Firoz Khan told the police team that two armed cadres of Nscn IM kidnapped him and demanded payment for the gate pass, but somehow he managed to pay a sum of ₹500 by calling another person through telephonic call, as he claimed that he did not have any money at that time. He said that the two cadres again demanded payment of 1 year vehicle tax from him. In return, he told them that he cannot pay at that instant. On hearing his reply, the Nscn IM cadres began assaulting him with bamboo on his shoulder, leg and hands, and was kidnapped at gunpoint. Firoz further expressed his fear of what would happen to him if he had not met the Special Commando team and thanked him for saving his life. Later, the Special Commando unit team brought back the driver and the young boy to Imphal and safely returned them to their homes.